It's my face. Welcome chat. Welcome everybody. And it's time to game. Look at this thing we got. We got a little face cam. Isn't that nice? You can see all my funny reactions and all that jazz. Look at this. I can go whoa. Whoa, isn't that crazy? Anyway, I think it would be best if we started gaming now. Oh my god. It's time to shovel. I don't know who this guy is. Perfect. I do sure look like that thing that you just said. Yes. See, here's a new problem with now having a webcam. Is that during the game we have to fix my webcam so it's not blocking anything. That's an issue. But you know what? It's not gonna be an issue. I think it's in a fine place. No, we're not gonna do this one. We beat this is our file that we beat. Look at that. It took me 4 hours. The equivalent of like what? It took me maybe 3-4 streams to beat this game. And now we're going to a new one. We're going to the Plague of Shadow. Shovel Knight Plague of Shadows. Yeah. I don't know anything about this one. I never played it. This never came out when I played this game. Long ago, the lands were untamed and roamed by legendary adventurers. I want to skip. Oh. My head on the crit. No! But the villainy ran rampant, and in time, most of the solid heroes fell. In the absence of champions, the Enchantress and the Order of No Quarters swept into power. Unbeknownst to everyone, the manacled alchemist Plague Knight had his plans of his own. He sought nothing less than to concoct a potion of unlimited power. It was the strongest potion. A draught so fiendishly potent that nothing he desired would be out of his reach. Each night unknowingly guards a crucial ingredient. Now the collection must be okay. I get the game. We have to go around and collect ingredients. Cool. Uh-oh, the boss is on its way. We have to get back to the lab fast. I want to get experimented on. Just hold X to charge and bomb burst out of here. Come on, hurry up. Thanks, game. Okay, I need to get how this guy works. Just hold X. Oh. Oh, okay. Right. Okay. Oh, that's what. You can get snazzy with this movement if you really want to. Oh, he has a double jump. That's crazy. Shovel Knight could never. I don't know what these coins do, but you know, they're gonna be useful eventually. Oh, is it for me to do big jump? Oh, that's a big jump right there. Yeah! Let's go! Song still slaps. I love the classic Shovel Knight song. I miss that jump. Fine, I'll get used to it. I'll get used to how it works. This is basically a learning stream, you know. There we go. Okay, pretty much it's being on the edge. Side. It's health tonic. Oh, it's just a full health. Okay, cool. How do you get those? Oh, you probably have to do a big jump to get those. That's fine. We can do that later. Or never. Yo, it's dragon. Yo, I'm so... Yo, I can just own this dragon so hard. Get owned, loser. Just mash X as fast as possible. What a bitch. Don't come closer. I'll hit you. That's what I thought. Ooh. No. This seems fun so far. I like it. More health tonic. I don't need it. But it's bad to waste. It's bad to waste good potion, but you know I have to. I don't need it. Slimes, fuck you. What I don't like is not having never. Because in Shovel Knight, yeah, the first one, you could just press down to do your like shovel drop. And Empress Knight, it was like the best move in the game. I have to fucking mash my my bomb button if I want to do any downward attack. Maybe I'm just privileged and lazy. It's probably that. I get these coins. I don't know what they do, but I will find out eventually. I'm close to dying. How do I? Oh, do you have to do boom? Yeah, I get it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. God, fucking so short. I might use one of these health tonics real quick. Oh, it just gains me. Oh, it just gains me more life, I guess. Strange. Let Rock not kill that slime. Bullshit. Theoretically, I can just drink as many of it as I want, right? And I get like a bunch of life. Probably temporary. Now that I think of it. Leave me alone! Where does this fall in the Shovel Knight timeline? Is this while Shovel Knight's being a farmer and depressed about losing his... Oh, hello! Welcome to the stream! I don't know why I started to... I was talking in a British accent when you popped in. But, you know... No! Wow. We're playing the new story campaign. Playing Plague Knight. How do I... Uh-oh. Our first challenge already? This stupid bug. Ow. How do I beat this guy? How do I beat this guy? How do you do it? It's impossible. This game's not complete. Can't beat this game. There we go. I can't get my stuff. Oh, oopsie doopsie. But you know what? That's alright. Ooh. Yo. What's in the box? It's money! Money! I do like the boost. The boost is really fun. Oh, I think it's boss time. It's definitely boss time. I wanna get a health tonic in. Yeah. Maybe 2 of them bitches. Is it Black Knight? Yeah. Listen to me, Magicist. I know you're aiding him in his quest to make the ultimate potion. But he can't handle the strongest potions. Ultimate? What? I haven't seen him since he fled to join the Order of No Quarter. Aha! Alchemical trickery? You cannot fool me. I know he plans to use the potion to bejewel you. What? I don't know. What? Me? What are you insinuating? Oh, something's coming. Oh, it's the panicky pushover. Is winning the Magic's heart. Worth betraying your allies? I can't read there. Eehee. What? Where in the world did you hear that? And I know how you plan to gather ingredients. The only thing worse than a deranged alchemist is a traitor! You know what the Order will do? But none threaten the Enchantress and live. I am so bad. Fuck you! Don't laugh at me. It never works. Dude, he's getting comboed. He's getting comboed! What did he do? You fucking bitch. Yo, dance on him! I might put that on the starting screen. That's a good starting screen. Alright, it's time to go to the village. Hello? Oh, no weapons allowed. Wait a minute. Let's just pretend I don't recognize you. And you go in safely in your merry way. This doesn't have to get messy. And don't show your creepy bird face around here again, freak. That's mean. What the fuck? Oh, maybe you didn't hear me through the mask. What? We already had this conversation, pal. You're not supposed to be here. I'll get lost before I lose my patience. Come on! Come on! Alright. Fine. Fine, I'll leave then. Hello? Who are you? Hey, Plague Knight. I'm still guarding your secret entrance, but I lost the key. Fucking bitch. The locksmith should be here in a week or two. Maybe you could wait until then. A week or two? Are you kidding me? A week or two? I don't have that long. Also, I can't get over this. The thing on the... Oh, okay, how do I leave this? Do I actually have to, jump over the house? Oh, you can jump over the house. Sick. Oh, I see. You were not actually supposed to wait a week or two. Well, I guess I'm canceling the locksmith's appointment. This house I grew up in, well, now it's dead. You still have at least some of the painting. So, you can't complain. Go. Wee. Haha, bitch. Great stuff for me. Hey, what's up? Hee Mona. We have a big problem on our hands. We've been found out. Another Black Knight thing? Yeah. Magicist built me in. Don't worry your beak. That fool has nothing on us. Look, all we need to do is worry about those final ingredients. We're stuck languishing here in obscurity until then. Yes, the essence. The essences. I shall pay our friends a little visit and borrow them. Really? Are we gonna cook our friends? What the fuck? Right. And while you're doing that, I'll keep researching ways to get more bang for our buck. You know what they say, the bigger the explosion, the better the alchemist. Yes, Let's get to work. Oh my gosh, he's tall. Where's Short King? Whoa, these lifts never cease to both amuse and nauseate. Truly a dizzying display of technology. Anyway, welcome back to the Potionarium. So, what are we working on? What do you got? Shop. Lob casing. Arcs into the air before coming crashing down. Produces wall climbing flames. All these are really expensive. Produces waves of fire that go in both directions. Blows up after a long and then floats slowly to the ground by pressing down to fall again. That sounds pretty useful. I like this. I like lob casing. Yeah, lob casing. I also really like the burst. I don't have enough for both. But let's see what else she's cooking up. Research. 40 safer coin. How many do I have? I have 24. Okay. Oh, it's the Tur. Oh, so it's basically like a whole other town. Huh. That's cool. Who is this guy? Oolong. That looks funny. Everyone's working here so hard, and yes, Oolong wants to help. Can make music. This is where we give the music notes to. But got tired, fell asleep. All my music's so underground. Give me music notes. Yeah, I got some. Oh, see. He's just a jukebox. This one's good. Okay. Look at him go! I like that guy. Hello. Oh, Plague Knight, my good friend. Moment of your time. Can I help you, Percy? Everyone know paper. Okay, I'll get you paper. Give me love advice. You bought me 2 sheets of paper? Yeah, I do. Garbs, flats, time signatures, what's all this, eh? I just write on the back. 1,000 gold, let's go. Okay, so that's what I give. I can't go into town. Everyone's scared of me. For some reason. So scary about me. Whether it's business or personal, don't worry, your secret's safe with me. Anyways, like potions. What do we got? Upgrade alchemy power. That sounds really nice, actually. I was gonna go buy like some better stuff, but upgrading alchemy power sounds really nice. Maybe I'll buy something. I guess I'll get the lob casing. Yeah, sure. Okay. I don't have any arcana. Okay, how does I keep pressing B? I want to press B to exit out, but that's not what it does. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Who are you? Picked up your special delivery. Sure. Bait bomb. Oh, it's where I get the items I can use. Okay. I ain't playing music anymore. What a bitch. Alright, do we go to King Knight or do we pay a visit to Spectre Knight? We'll go to King Knight. We'll go to King Knight first. I like King Knight's stage. The song's great. Okay, I'm gonna. Maybe it's a waste. Yeah, this is better. I'm gonna have to. Am I gonna switch off from multiple different items? That sounds annoying. Let me get it. There we go. I realize this now, but it's probably fine. Was my cam blocking anything? I could probably check myself. I don't want to. I assume it's fine. I assume everything I do is fine. For the most part. No, no! Come on! I was trying to do the boost. My leg slightly tripped. Not my fault. And there goes all that money. I was like right there that I was trying to get. A load of barnacles. Yo, Pellarat. Me. Is there any place in the potionarium that can give me fucking meal tickets? Because if I'm playing this game with the amount of health I have, yo, I can shield break them. I can stun them. That's awesome. I keep forgetting I have a jump after I do that. How silly of me. Come here. Freezer. Jesus. God. What's up? That looks like an explodable wall. On. Right. I'm getting better at looking out for explodable walls or like destructible walls. Like that. Oh, this is where the lob shot comes in handy. Yeah, there we go. For these assholes. Yo! Died. Yo, a flare wand? An arcana? No. Is it a fuse? No. Is it powder? No. Is it a bomb? No. Where did it go? Oh, A is Is A to close? No, just keep... Not tonic. Where did that thing go? What is it? Oh, trade it with Chester. Oh, okay. Cool. He doesn't want him. I'll just give it to Chester when I see him. That's fair enough. Drew's can't look behind him. Lol. Whoa. Careful now. Oh. I see. I just took a really long way. Well, you know, I got some good stuff out of it, so it wasn't all for naught. Yo, that's a Shovel Knight door. Can I go through that? Am I allowed to? Oh, there you go. See, he figures that away every time. Hey, speaking of which, here's Chester. Hi, Chester. I got some shit to sell you. Ford and the Beaker are stuffed in a bag. Chester's always got the swag. I like that. Hey, this relic, Al. You know I can take it off your hands and give you something a little more interesting. Is that why Chester sells me the relics? Yo, the lore. Wow, the lore, dude. Big boom. Okay. Big boom. It's up in X. Big boom. Right in a sec. First we're gonna... Big boom. Okay. Oh, I have to recharge though, that's nice. It's not just like mana thing. It has a pretty nice recharge. Big boom! Big boom! Big boom. Yeah, wait for it. Big boom! Go. It didn't look like it damaged that guy, but it totally did. You know what? I'm having, so far, it might not be the case in future streams or levels, I'm having fun. I'm having fun. So there you go. Count that as a fun asterisk. I get how the controls work. It didn't feel bullshit when I die sometimes. Yeah, it's nice so far. I haven't had too much troubles on bosses or levels, but I just realized that the boss in this level does have the correct amount of health. Usually, right when I fought, what's the name? Black Knight, he had very little health. It was very easy. So I wonder if the boss is gonna be way harder. Okay, loser. I still wanna fight him. I wanna still beat his shit in. I can! He's too powerful. He's too good. There might be a possible part of the game where I will get very frustrated, but I haven't gotten that part yet, which is good. Game is pleasant so far. I can be in the air for so long. I can stall fall like nobody cares. I I can't. They've not got a business stall falling for that long. Yeah, that's why I didn't put him in Smash. I didn't even notice I was there. I said I was good at noticing those, but I did not. That was one I did not notice. This one feels like one though. Too close. Maybe it's not one. Maybe I'm wrong. I wonder if there's this type of bomb where it only explodes in impact and doesn't bounce. That'd be nice. I would love to have that. Look at this. Dude, this dude got nothing on me. It's like playing Peacock and Skullgirls. Oh. Almost missed that. No, I need all the money I can get. I need to buy a bunch of stuff. Oh, yeah, it's this gimmick. The levels are longer. I don't know, I might just be crazy. Oh, what sucks about this is that you can't do the thing where you can shovel drop a bunch of times to make these easier. God. Oh god. Oh no. This is gonna suck. Thank you for saying that. I knew I was crazy. I always am. Crazy good at this game, oh my god! Whoa! Woo! All my stuff back. Nice, nice. Whoop! No! Fuck! Okay, okay. Well, I don't think I'm getting my stuff now. It is in a hard to reach area. This book part's way harder now. Plague Knight control is kind of weird. Yeah, okay. Well, that goes my stuff all the way on the right. But, whatever. This part is pretty difficult. I was saying that the game has been kind of a breeze so far, and you know what? I guess the game heard me. It answered my prayers, what weren't really prayers, just kind of there we go. Didn't take that long. No, I don't want to leave these. I don't want to leave these potions all alone. There we go. Well, I don't want to leave these potions all alone. That's just wasteful. Yeah, I guess I can't beat this thing. I'm just gonna jump over it or damage through it. I don't know what to do. But big boom it. That works. I don't know what part of. Is it its face? Ah, yes. Alright, I'm gonna... Big boom! Big boom! Big boom! I guess I'll live. Ah, but... we're at the boss. There's always a secret turkey. Or is this guy the turkey? Big boom. Big boom. That's tanky, holy shit. There we go. Okay, yeah, he's the turkey. Alright. Now we can go fight the boss. Hi King Knight, Plague Knight, you double-crossing constable of crucibles. Hehehe. Having fun in your little kingdom? Oh, sorry, I meant kingdom. Oh, snap. Oh, this lavish lifestyle is in my blood, peon. Bask in the glimmering grace of a true monarch. As the embodiment of impudence, I demand tribute. Gahaha! I love having that essence, I think. I'll take that nice crown too. Alright. Oh god. Oh god! Oh jeez! Jesus Christ. Oh my god! Doing the anime fucking sword strike. It's close. Got him. Yo, stun on him. And now we got some essence or something. I don't know. Cool. We got one essence. Drop that essence into my dynamo decanter here. Essences are volatile, but my breakthrough design stabilizes them. Once the essences are all distilled together, if my research is correct, we can craft the ultimate potion. King Knight's essence is ours, and I discovered that his gold crown isn't really gold. Hahaha, I knew it, pretender indeed. However, let's get down to business then. Produce wall climbing flames. 2 bombs max. I'll take the burst. And I'll take nothing else. And look, there's the essence right there. Okay. What's the float burst? Is it like the same but... Oh. I just naturally fall. Slowly. That could be useful at some point, yeah. Whoops. Keep doing that. That could be useful at some point. I like it. Got any more songs? Play Bud? No, no songs. No songs to play. That's fine. Here is more paper. You have like more alchemy power. Oh, here we go. Health tonic max. Right? Oh, so you can just hold more health tonics. I see. What? I don't know. I don't get. I want to have more health. Is it just in? Is it just in the? Is it just in the form of health tonics? Is that what the meal tickets are? I don't know. I wish I had my expert on Shovel Knight here in chat, but I don't. Bait bomb. Toss a sparkling into a sparkling pit. See what flies up. Is this fishing rod? Yes, I don't care. I love this dude. I love this dude so much. This dude is great. Look at him go. This is my favorite guy.